Welcome to Exploring and Creating Life Together. Today we're going to explore a beautiful ecosystem. It's the breathtaking flat rock cedar glades and barrens near Murfreesboro, Tennessee. This ecosystem is filled with rare plants, open glades, and hidden rock formations. This beautiful spot is a true gem of Middle Tennessee, and we're excited to share its stunning views and diverse wildlife with you. So let's hit the trail and discover what makes this place so special. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below what you think about our video. Thank you.
Flat Rock Cedar Glade State Natural Area, and I've got a couple of new people with me. I've got another sister-in-law walking up the trail, and her husband Joe up ahead of her. And this is a really nice little natural area that the state has. It does have a little more treacherous terrain in that a lot of the trails stay wet and damp, so you're walking in mud a lot of times. So again, you need to come prepared with waterproof shoes, something you don't mind getting a little muddy. Make sure you got some plastic bags or something in your car to put them on when you get done. But it is a beautiful area. There were a lot of tree frogs going on a while ago, but because we got here and started talking, they've all quieted down. Hey, I wish I'd have paid a little more attention in botany class because now I'm out in trying to get some exercise, enjoy God's creation, and I see different kinds of moss and different kinds of things growing, and I really don't know what they are, but right here in this flat rock cedar grove we've got here, just all kinds of things growing, all the color contrast, very pretty. You've got some rust colored, some nearly lime green, lighter green, and some sage colored back there that just makes this area very beautiful. I don't have my walking sticks. Wish I would have brought them. But this is great exercise because you're going to be exercising your legs, but also your ankles. Just watch me as I kind of walk through this, but also you have to work on your balance because this is slick, muddy, and you got to be really careful. Lesson 1, I told you to be sure and look for the blaze. Well, we missed a blaze somewhere, so we're having to backtrack to find the blue blaze that marks the trail we're supposed to be on. Not totally lost, but we're not sure where we are either, so we'll find out.
Yeah, we're off the trail.
All right, here's the blaze right here, sign pointing for the trail. We didn't get that far off, thank goodness, and that's what you got to do is pay attention. We were busy visiting and talking, and next thing you know, we're off the trail, but here we go again. It's nice rugged terrain. Got to have the right shoes, good sturdy shoes. I would show you Deb from Grandma's Choice and show you her shoes, but man, she looks a hot mess out doing all this. So I'll just leave her off screen right now and let you look at the handsome me, but this terrain's a little rugged. Well, here we are. We're back at the finish line, the start line, however you want to look at it, to Flat Rock Cedar Glade Preserve. That was an enjoyable hike. Like I say, you know, you need some sturdy shoes out here and probably water resistant as well. There was some mud and water, but that's to be expected in this park, so don't be surprised if you come out. It's also one of the least visited preserves as well. But the best time to come out here is April through June. A lot of flowers blooming, trees coming out, so it's a good time to come out and enjoy this. So y'all have a good time and be careful. Now, if you like what we're doing, give us a thumbs up. If you really like what we're doing, subscribe to us. Give us some comments about what you'd like to see, some things maybe we need to go see. We'd really appreciate that. Thank you very much.